After weeks of teasers and leaks, Xiaomi has kicked off its 8th anniversary event by making MIUI 10 official. Xiaomi has made some changes in the UI visually to make it look cleaner and more optimized for full-screen usage. The company also reveals that the OS is being used by over 190 million users worldwide. The new Recent Apps menu is designed to better utilize the full-screen design on newer Xiaomi devices. Instead of arranging recent apps like a stack of cards, the app cards lie side by side on the screen. This enables you to see as much as 6 recent apps on the screen at one time. The company states that this provides more information to the users and also enables gesture-friendly actions for an improved user experience. You can swipe to delete the app or long press for more actions. AI has become an important part of smartphones this year, and Xiaomi is making sure that its MIUI 10 OS integrates this technology at the core level. Some of the highlighted advantages of AI in MIUI 10 is up to 0 loading times by studying your app usage behavior and anticipating actions. Another advantage is that MIUI 10 brings single camera bokeh mode to old Xiaomi smartphones including Xiaomi Mi 5 and Xiaomi Mi Note 2. So, after updating to the new OS, these old phones will be capable of capturing bokeh photos with its front and back cameras. MIUI 10 also brings a new driving mode, which relies on voice commands to avoid distractions. Users will be able to easily use maps for navigation and attend phone calls, all with the help of simple voice commands in this mode. You can now easily control all your connected smart home gadgets right from the MIUI 10 interface. The controls for each smart home device is on its respective widget on the home screen. This makes it extremely easy to access and control each of the devices without having to open up the Mi Home app. There are over 590 brands that'll support MIUI 10, and the company promises more additions. The MIUI 10 developer ROM will be available to download to over 33 Xiaomi smartphones. The first batch of Xiaomi devices including the Xiaomi Mi 8 will get the ROM in June, and the second batch will get it in July. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.